you doing, baby? I like your hair. Do you like your hair?
And find the answer to Red's question. First, we look for super letters.
Are you learning, baby?
Put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer.
Was there a ball?
Looks like in this story, we'll need to find 4 super letters. And then
What are those, your grapes?
our super story answer.
Wait.
It's time to transform. Ready? Ready! Arms in. Put your arm in.
Up.
Up. Cars and diggers. Where's your digger? Oh. What color is it? What color? Your digger. What color? Color. What color is it?
Good thinking,
Okay. That one has yellow. Yeah. Where's a green one? Green? Yeah. Yeah. You like green? Yeah. Or do you like yellow better?
With my amazing alphabet tools, I
Hmm.
can find the way to Miss Muffet's house.
Whoa.
My alphabet map to find Miss Muffet's house.
Hmm. Hi.
Keep your eyes out for super letters.
Uh-oh.
You see super letters? Which letters did you find?
Oh. Did you just eat your grape? Hey.
Oh yeah. And
That's not nice.
good work. We need to put them into our
What are you, a puppy?
super-
Yeah. Grape.
2 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story